Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 14th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold versus the dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did push down a little bit today, pretty expected. I was thinking this move up right here was a B. We may actually have a little bit more down movement. I mean, if it does break structure to the upside, then I would say the uptrend is still in, which really it hasn't broken the 4-hour structure level really yet anyway, so on the much higher time frames the trend is definitely still up, but it does kind of seem pretty likely that it's going to go down to this 38%. Plus we got this nice low zone right here, that rally-based rally area on the 4-hour time frame, so I am looking for the 38% probably as a likely pullback. If it makes a double bottom, makes a breaker structure to the upside, impulsive engulfing move to the upside, that's exactly what I'll be looking for the continuation of this uptrend, possibly a 3, 4, and 5. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.